guys, welcome back to Captain Unbeatable. If you are new here, welcome to Captain Unbeatable. Today we're going to be playing a new game. It's called Super Animal Royale. They have a limited time game mode called the Bwoking Dead, and we're going to be trying it. I've only played it twice, so I have a pretty fresh experience here. But it's really fun. It's like The Walking Dead. That's why it's called The Walking Dead. I'll be playing like 2 game modes of this, trying to survive as long as I can. In one game mode though, I haven't ever oh my goodness, this is so loud. I haven't ever been the first chicken, and if I am the first chicken, I would love that. It'd be a new experience, and it'd be a cool experience. So, yeah, the game's about to start. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you do like it, remember to like and subscribe, because it would mean a lot, and have a good time. So basically in this game mode, there's teams of 4. But no one damages each other, because that's just how it works. I have a sniper now. I guess I'm long range. Okay, I need an SMG. How did someone die? I don't know. Okay. Give me stuff. I got a grenade. That was honestly a pretty good fight. Ooh. SMG. I don't know if I'm saying that right, honestly. I think it's Megum, but it might not be. So, tell me if I'm saying it wrong. And I need some duct tape. I swear I saw duct tape in here. I could like bet my life. I'll replay it. Hopefully editor replays that. Okay, we're just gonna get away from the skunk gas. It's like the storm, but it makes you smell bad, and that apparently kills you. I'm gonna die. I didn't die. Ooh, I'll have to find a better AK if I want to trade out these. Emu limu, haha. Come here. Emus are so good. You can like peck and they do a lot of damage, especially because chuckles don't have too much health. And they kind of just like let you go fast. Sorry if my controls, if I walk a little weird, because I am not used to PC. I kinda just got on PC. No, someone stole my emu and my gun that I was gonna grab. I'll be safe in the hamster ball. I don't like these things, but I'll be safe in them. Come and attack me, you fools. I can run over you. Oh my goodness, no. It doesn't work. The hamster ball doesn't work. So, in normal game modes, the hamster ball is fragile, like you see. But the hamster ball usually insta-kills anything it runs over. And that did not happen with the Chuckles. So apparently, don't use a hamster ball in this game mode because they stink. I just need to get away from this castle so I can do my job as a Chuckle. Hamster balls do not work in this game mode, note to self. I saw a gunshot. I did damage, I did damage, I did damage, I did damage. He'll turn, he'll turn. Come on. Tell me that I got him. I did 33 damage to him. Someone has better gotta kill him. If I see him again... This will be the last they see of him. Yes. Yes. Great. Great. I'm very upset that the hamster ball does not work. I'm a cop. I'm a pug cop. Police pug. Okay, my name is Police Pug. That's my name, and my specialty is investigation. I will find who did this. I'll be back when the game starts. Okay, and the game is starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Saw security alert. Super Animal World security alert. The Chuckles are spreading. Avoid all zombie joes and wait for evacuation. My banana have may mercy have on all of us. Okay, so Banana God exists. That's why they're saying that. I got a pretty good start. I could do some ninja boots. Let's just break this open. I need some more ammo for my SMG. Is what I'm hoping for, but gimme. Yes! Level 3 armor. I don't know what the weapon was though. Cause they stole it. I don't need no level 2 armor, bro. I got level 3 armor. Eli, hamster balls don't work. Okay, we're gonna just collect ammo. Cause that ammo, those little bullets, work with the SMG. I need duct tape in case I need to heal my armor. More little bullets. Oh, those were big bullets for the AK that I'm hoping I will get. Mini ranch. For some reason, we're all running. I don't know where we're running to. I I just know that we're running. Yeah, okay, more duct tape. The more the merrier. No, I would rather have ninja boots. There's a chance I just get ammo from this, which is good. Okay, I want to be top 10. That's my goal for this game. I'm at full health and still full armor. Look at what I'm getting from the grass. This is why I like these boots. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting this. Not expecting. I should have attacked. It's 25th. I should have attacked. I should have just gone for it, but they do so much damage. They do like a third of your health every time. They took out one, then they took out another piece of my shield, then another. Then they did 1/3 of my damage, 2/3 of my damage. And then they got me. And I only had an SMG. AKA, not the best gun. And by not the best, I mean not very good. I did something. Okay, I need to find some humans. Oh, there they are. And by humans, I mean animals, but now I gotta run. I gotta heal. I gotta heal. I gotta heal. Okay. End of field. Time to find humans. Oh my goodness. Well, that sucked. That was very bad. I found more humans. They don't like me. Okay, grenade from here. Okay. What in the world happened? I literally walked in there. We need to go. They have the evacuation. Two people. Yeah. Ugh. If we do one more game, this might be a little bit longer of a video. oh boy, I have a strategy. You might be asking, Eli, what is your strategy? Well, May from Turning Red, my strategy, my strategy is honestly pretty simple. I need a shotgun. And then they're dead. Okay, probably not with a level tier 1 shotgun, but with a green shotgun, they're dead. They're literally dead with a green shotgun. I will one-shot them. If they get close enough, and even if they're still far away, it still works pretty good. All I need is like a green or a blue shotgun. If I have a blue shotgun, I can go from far ways and still do good. Give me the blue shotgun. Give me the blue shotgun. Give me the blue shotgun. Why'd you have to pick up the blue shotgun, and why do I have to be new to PC? So it took me a while. Okay, well, now I have dualies. So there was a blue shotgun right there. Ooh, what do I see? Okay, I don't care. Now that I have armor, I'm better protected. Of all the things you could have had in you, you had to have armor and not a blue shotgun? Super Tate to fix armor, okay. There's already 10 shekels and a storm afoot. No. I'll never leave. There's a shotgun in there. I need to drink some refreshing health juice. Okay, now that I have some health juice, what's in here? Wait. AK. Great find. Okay. Peace Fox is dead. Until I get a better shotgun. Where's the skunk guess? Okay. I have it. Wait. I have a better one. I was 15th. I almost killed him. And then he just hits me. He hit me and I died. Is this a roller coaster? Don't let me in. I wanna go here. I wanna be on the roller coaster. Oh, it's not a roller coaster, it's transporting timber. That's a lot of damage. Okay, I found humans. And the humans are dead. Oh, more humans. And by humans, I mean animals. I don't know why I'm saying humans. I found human. I'm an animal. If I ever say human, I mean animal. No! He hit me with the grenade! Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, remember to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next unbeatable video.